Civil Tracker has several layers that can be viewed through the C menu. Every flight processed in Civil Tracker will have a high resolution orthomosaic image. In addition, every flight will have a terrain model representing the terrain as captured from the drone and processed. With the second flight and beyond, there will be a cut fill layer showing areas that are higher or lower between flights 1 and flight 2. Areas higher in red, lower in blue. If you've uploaded an engineering design, it'll be shown through the design terrain. And finally, the cut fill between your engineering design and the current drone survey is shown through the design cut fill. Any of these layers can be turned on and off through the eye icon, and the transparency can be adjusted through the slider bar. Finally, the order of the layers can be changed by simply clicking and dragging the layers. This allows you to create the perfect visualization of your layers to help you understand what's happening with your project.